Hey guys, so we are looking at IXL FF.1. This one has to do with apostrophes and possessives. So basically, the easiest way to do this rule is apostrophe S is one person possesses it, S apostrophe is multiple people possess it, and then no apostrophe just means that it's plural. Okay, so those are going to be basically your three options here. So the rules are listed here underneath if you need to review them. I recommend taking a picture of these before you get started. Just makes it easy. So we add an apostrophe when a singular noun needs to become a possessive noun. So Matt, there's only one Matt. In Matt's glove, it would be apostrophe S. Boys, there are multiple boys, so it would be S apostrophe. Okay. Now, that doesn't work whenever it's what's called an irregular plural, right? So the singular of child is child, and the plural of child is children. Okay. So it wouldn't be children's S apostrophe, it would be children apostrophe S, right? So that's the only kind of like fly in the ointment because English is weird and it doesn't quite work right all the time. So let's do a couple of these together. Again, you have access to the rules here. You just have to try them out a little bit. This is going to be something that we work on for a little while. So blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. Okay, so I have this apostrophe here. So my antennas come up. Does anything belong to the whales? It doesn't, right? There's nothing being possessed by the blue whales. So animals will not be possessive. And I don't know why that put that over Earth there, but that's not where I want it. I want it here. Okay. A blue whale's heart is about the size of a small car. Okay. So we have S apostrophe here. Is there more than one whale in this? Can a heart be owned by more than one whale? It can't. So we're going to do that. Okay. Because, one person, one heart pretty much most of the time, or one whale, one heart in this case. Okay. So let's see. Yay, we got it right. Okay. Kevin is planning a month-long vacation to Italy next summer. To prepare for the trip, he is taking language lesson with his wife's Italian grandmother. So, unless he's got more than one wife and they all have the same Italian grandmother, then this is not going to be plural possessive. So remember, S apostrophe means that it's owned by more than one person. So this is going to be his wife's. Okay, if he's got more than one Italian wife, then interesting fella Kevin is. Okay. During travel heavy times of the year, gasoline prices tend to rise due to people's increased demand for fuel. Okay. So first thing is we have this gasoline prices apostrophe. Nothing here is being possessed by gasoline prices. So if nothing is being possessed by gasoline prices, there is no apostrophe. Apostrophes are only to show possession. Okay. Now, people's increased demand for fuel here should have an apostrophe and doesn't. So that's a little tricky. All right. So let's take a look at this here. People's. Okay. So people is plural itself. So you remember that rule earlier when I said about children? So the singular of people would be person, right? Person, people. So people would look like that, right? Because of the children's example, right? Hopefully. Oh, okay. All right, let's do one more and then we'll bump it up a level. All right, so when Franklin Delano Roosevelt was elected to the presidency, he pledged to bring relief to the millions of Americans. Okay, so is anything being possessed by these millions of Americans? Nope, it's just plural. It's just plural. They don't have anything in the sentence here, Okay. Now, affected by the nation's economic collapse during the Great Depression. Now, that is a possessive. Okay, the nation's economic collapse. How many nations? Just one. All right, let's jump up a level and see if they change the game on us here. To plural or possessive errors. So it looks like they're going to be the same. Our countries, ooh, okay. So the country's national anthem, right? The national anthem belongs to the country. Now, here's the thing about this. If it was plural, it would look like this. But it's possessive, so it's going to be Y''S. Okay. Star-Spangled Banner turned 200 years. So we have this apostrophe here, so my antennas come up. And does anything belong to years? Nothing belongs to the years here. So that one's just going to be regular old plural. And we have 2, which satisfies the IXL people. And we're going to press submit. Okay, guys, that's how you do that one. I know this might take a little practice for you, and that's okay. Just let me know if you need any help, and I will make myself available.